Hey guys, Diane here. I actually just wanted to shoot a quick video for you. I'm coming to you from New York today, and all along my travels between Seattle, San Francisco, New York, and around the world, lately I've been hearing a lot of questions and a lot of concerns around, I'm a little concerned about whether or not I'm on the right track. I'm a little unclear as to what I should be doing next, especially for a lot of business owners out there who are just getting started. So if you are unsure or you're, unfocused in your business and you're tired of being in that space, if you're tired of worrying about whether or not your plan will work, or if you're tired of second guessing your business decisions, and if you're tired of the overwhelm within your business, I've actually designed a brand new program that launched in January of this year, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is called the Seattle Business Launch Incubator. So if you're local to Seattle, this is a great opportunity for you to come in and get a 10-minute hot seat session at every session that we have. You have 10 minutes to ask any business related questions that you might have, and you'll get detailed, specific expert advice, how-to strategies, templates, tactics directly from me at that time. It'll also be in a small group setting. There will be no more than 10 people at each of these meetings, at each incubator session, so you can really develop deep connections with your peers and other people who are building their businesses in the same way that you are. And along with this, you get a all-day access to one of my favorite co-working spaces in Seattle. You can come in for the meeting, schedule other client meetings in the space for afterwards, or you can start to implement the ideas and the tactics and the strategies that we talk about during your hot seat. And then you also get accountability check-ins between our sessions, right? To make sure that you're on track, that you're moving forward, that if you're getting stuck, that you have support and you can bounce an idea off of someone or course correct and get right back on track, right? That's what the Seattle Launch Incubator is about. And if you find that you are in this place where you are just a little overwhelmed in your business, you're not really sure what the next steps are, you're constantly second guessing yourself, you're feeling frustrated, your business is not where you want it to be, then come in and check out our Seattle Business Launch Incubator. I'm going to drop the link for the incubator down below. So I hope to see you there. Until next time, bye.